Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode in Thunderbird. If you've been finding the dark interface a bit too dim, or you simply prefer a lighter look for your email client, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to switch back to a brighter theme in just a few clicks. First things first, open your Thunderbird application on your computer. Once the application launches and you're looking at your main email interface, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll spot the menu icon, which typically looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and click on this menu icon to reveal a drop-down list of options. From the menu that appears, locate and click on Add-ons and Themes. This section is where Thunderbird stores all the customization options for your email client, including themes, extensions, and other visual modifications. Clicking this will take you to a dedicated page where you can manage how your Thunderbird looks and functions. Once you're on the Add-ons and Themes page, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with several categories listed. From these options, click on Themes. This is the specific area where all your installed themes are displayed, including the dark mode theme that's currently active on your application. Now browse through the themes that appear on your screen and find the one labeled Dark. This is the theme that's responsible for giving Thunderbird that dark interface you're currently seeing. It should be clearly marked and easy to identify among your other theme options. Right next to the dark theme, you'll notice a button that says Disable. This button is your key to turning off dark mode. By clicking it, you're telling Thunderbird to deactivate the dark theme and revert to the default or previously active lighter theme. Go ahead and click the Disable button. The change should take effect almost immediately, and you'll see your Thunderbird interface switch from the dark theme to a lighter, brighter appearance. The entire email client will now display in the standard light mode, making it easier on the eyes if that's your preference. And that's it. You've successfully turned off dark mode in Thunderbird and restored a lighter theme to your email application. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.